Has your first dropshipping sale already happened? Here's what you can do to speed up this process. Relying on our personal dropshipping experience, we have put together 11 tips that really help online store owners make their first sales as soon as possible. Hi, thank you for joining me today. My name is Alicia and I'm happy to help you go on an exciting dropshipping journey. I work together with an incredible team of e-commerce experts that help people all over the globe launch their own dropshipping businesses. These solutions are accessible even to the users with no background experience at all. Watch this video to learn more. And when our clients build their first dropshipping stores with our help, of course, all of them ask us the same question: when will this store start making me money? In this video, you'll find 11 tips that help online store owners make their first sales. We've described each one in dedicated articles on our blog, so don't forget to check out the description box to learn more about every strategy. And now, let's go over them. First things first, there won't be a reason for your store visitors to purchase from you if your website looks all spammy and suspicious. Here's what you need to do. The solution that we offer, AliDropship plugin, lets you import AliExpress products right to your dropshipping store. But they get imported along with their weird names, confusing descriptions, and images with the seller's watermarks. Of course, it's not a good thing for your brand image and for the impression your store creates. To fix this, use our recommendations on product page editing, which we share in this article. Find the link below the video. Coming across a new online store, internet shoppers can't always be sure they can really trust this website. You can make them more confident if you show them some real-life feedback they can learn from. Honest product reviews are just the thing you need. You can take them right from AliExpress and give your store visitors more product information to rely on. Another handy trick here is to demonstrate the item in real use. It will help your store visitors make up their minds on the purchase. So, download product videos on AliExpress and upload into your site. Or ask your AliExpress suppliers if they can provide you with short, high-quality product videos. Or make videos yourself and put them on your product pages. By the way, have you thought about exactly how internet users will find your online store? With over 1.5 billion websites on the net, you need to do something special to drive traffic to your store. A good strategy here is to launch a store-related blog. AliDropship plugin lets you create a built-in blog in a couple of clicks. You can easily use it to create unique content for distribution and improve your store position on Google. Have you noticed that people visit your store and look through the product page but still don't place their orders? Here's what you can try to improve the situation. Give something to the community and watch these people change their minds about your store. Contests and giveaways are great tools if you want to attract social media attention to your store and spark interest in your offers. Do you personally like it when you manage to buy something at half the price? Give your customers the chance to feel this joy too. AliDropship-based stores let you create appealing discounts for your buyers with the help of coupons, so don't miss out on this opportunity. If a person has visited your dropshipping store at least once, there is a chance for you to turn this visitor into an actual buyer. How about notifying these people on the newest products in stock, upcoming sales events, or any other special offers you have? A series of informative emails will do this job just fine. If nothing seems to be working yet, think about the following. Do your promotional efforts reach the people who are interested in your offers? Here are a couple of ideas to get the attention of a larger audience. Influencers are media personalities who create new trends and support the existing ones. What you need to do is find up-and-coming bloggers who discuss the topics related to your store niche and ask if they want to partner with you. By the way, that's exactly how Instagram shoutouts work. Check out this video to learn more about this promotional method. Imagine how many people will see your store advertisement if you put it at the top of the Google search results page. To do this, you need to launch a Google Ads campaign. Would you like to learn how to do it? Take a look at the description box below. I will leave the link to the step-by-step guide there. Instagram and Facebook can take your dropshipping business to a new level. They let you interact with potential customers, keep an eye on trends, and spread the word about your amazing store. Both of them are perfect places to find your first customers. Google Shopping ads take users straight to the purchasing process. With their help, you can trigger almost immediate orders placement. The secret is to prepare your products correctly for this kind of ad. All of these strategies are well tested by our team. That's why we're simply sure they work. We are also happy to share them with you in detail. So use the links in the description box to learn more experience-based tips on dropshipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Even more dropshipping secrets and e-commerce recommendations are coming, so don't miss out on them. If you are new to dropshipping, I also recommend you watch this video to learn what exactly do you need to start your own dropshipping store. See you next time. Bye!